Welcome to Residence 2408 at the Caledonia, 450 West 17th Street in the heart of West Chelsea. I'm Eric Zollinger of the Corcoran Group.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky.